some practical skills. So how to oxidize alcohols using acidified potassium dichromate. Add 10 drops of alcohol to 2 centimeters cube of acidified potassium dichromate solution in the test tube. So add 10 drops of alcohol to this much of acidified potassium dichromate solution test tube. Warm the mixture gently in a hot water bath. Watch for color change. If it's a primary alcohol, orange solution slowly turns green as aldehyde forms. Secondary alcohol, orange solution slowly turns green as a ketone forms. And tertiary, nothing happens. However, they showed the same test, orange to green, right, for aldehyde or ketone. Therefore, we're going to add excess alcohol to 2 centimeters cube of acidified potassium dichromate solution in a test tube. Set up flask as part of distillation apparatus. Gently heat the flask. Alcohol is oxidized and the product distilled immediately so we can collect it. So here, heat, mixture, heat, fractionate column, thermometer, condenser, and this goes to your container to collect the liquid. Using Fehling/Benedict solution to distinguish between aldehyde/ketone, I should say. Add 2 centimeters cube of Fehling/Benedict solution of test tube. Whatever you should observe at this point is a clear blue solution. Add 5 drops of aldehyde/ketone to the test tube. Put test tube in a hot water bath and warm. If it's an aldehyde blue solution, we give a brick red precipitate. Ketone, nothing happens. Making tolerance reagent. Put 2 centimeters cube of 0.10 moles per dm minus cube of silver nitrate solution in a test tube. Add few drops of dilute sodium hydroxide solution. A light brown precipitate forms. Add drops of dilute ammonia solution until brown precipitate dissolves completely. Place test tube in a hot water bath and add 10 drops of aldehyde/ketone. Aldehyde, if it's an aldehyde, silver mirror forms in the walls of test tube as our aldehyde reduces Ag plus ions to silver atoms. As a ketone, nothing happens. Using sodium carbonate to test for carboxylic acids, add 2 centimeters cube of solution you want to a test tube. Add 1 small spatula solid sodium carbonate. Solution begins to phase bubble the gas it produces through some lime water in the second test tube, and you should observe the lime water turns cloudy. And one other thing I forgot is using bromine water to test for the presence of alkenes. I'll just go through this. I don't write it down. Add 2 centimeters cube of the solution you want to test tube. Add 2 centimeters cube of bromine water to the test tube. Shake the test tube. If it's an alkene solution, decolorize. It goes from orange to colorless. And if it's not an alkene, nothing happens.